everybody. It's a beautiful day to make things a little prettier, and I want to highlight a company that does just that. So at Matt's, after the whole waxing fiasco, James and I went on a hunt to find a retail vendor somewhere that had wax. That way we could try to fix up what we could. We ran across JaxWax, and they are an amazing company. We talked to Todd there. He gave us the history of the company. It was really nice. And we got some of their, I think I left it inside, their Carnauba wax, and some of their ultra plush microfiber cloths. And then just through chatting, we ended up talking about our YouTube channels and unintentionally picked up a little collaboration. So this is a gift box that they had sent us for washing down these trucks, as well as my monthly Monday car wash recaps. So I have not opened this yet, as you can see, and we're going to open it and see what they have. So when we were at their booth, I did notice, I have to get a knife, hang on. Okay, so when we were at their booth, I did notice that they have a lot more than just wash and wax. They have polish, they have glass cleaner, they have like interior scent spray. They have their own microfiber cloths, like I said, their own like chamois. They're essentially your all-in-one for detailing. And it's JaxWax, JaxWax. So right on top, I don't know what this is. It says Home of Real Car Care. So we're gonna open this one up and see what's in here. Oh, it's some of their microfiber cloths. Lovely. Where do I put my trash? Just kidding. Oh, I'm sorry. Scared that poor little girl. Hi, sweet baby. So this one looks like they're ultra plush. Like, it's so soft. I don't know how to explain it. It is amazing. So first we have these rags. We're just gonna fold them up. It's a little windy right now. There's a big bucket in here, so we're gonna save that for last. And we have this, if I can get this out. A wheel woolly. A wheel woolly. You guys. Oh, this is gonna make cleaning the wheels so much easier. Oh, I'm so excited. Get in all the little nooks and crannies and get behind. Oh, you know, like, this is one of those things where you're like, I didn't even know I needed one of these until I seen it. And now I know I need it and I can't ever live without it. So thank you, JaxWax. 5-gallon bucket. There you go. Jax. Okay, let's move those over there. Let's twist this open and see what is inside. This is so handy too, to keep all the stuff together. You guys, it's my favorite. It's a hand. It's a hand towel. That's nice. We have more microfiber cloths. We got some bigger ones in purple. Oh, it's one. So we have multiple sizes. We love that. That's great. It's a little handheld buffer. We have a round wax applicator. We have a little, are you double twist? Looks like a little double twist. I would say another applicator as well for the wax. And in here holds all the goodness. So I was a little confused because I seen a bunch of these, but then after looking closer, I see why. And then we have 2 of the little nipple tops. So here's all what's in this box, or this barrel, gallon jug, 5-gallon bucket. Sorry, I had to get it out. This is what I have already, the Liquid Carnauba wax. I use this on a spot on the back Amazing, amazing. It cleared up all the water spots and like the streakiness from when it had been ruined. Great. They also have, ooh, leather magic for the seats. A wash and wax all in one. I'm gonna be using that. Hawaiian Shine. Detail spray wax that can be used on wet or dry surfaces. Oh, something else that they told us about the Liquid Carnauba wax. This is not a sit it, wait 10 minutes, wipe it off, has to be done in the shade. You can do this in the sunshine. You can forget about it. He said that they had put it on a car in the woods and left it there overnight. Came back the next day, buffed it right off, looked amazing. So that's good. Another interior. Let's keep the interior stuff together. Interior, exterior. We have a glass cleaner, see? Glass cleaner, all in one. Super blue tire dressing. Ooh, this is for wheel shine. Tire shine, excuse me. That's tire shine. What are you? Micro Renew microfiber detergent. Oh, that's amazing. I didn't even know that they had this. That's amazing. Uh-oh. The girl cat's right beside the phone, and here comes my boy cat. Don't you jump on her. She just meowed at him and he let her run away. Sometimes he's a boy cat. He can't control himself. He's fixed and she's fixed. I know it. I paid for both of them. But he still jumps on her. Anyways, super citrus. They also told us about this. So this product obviously is a cleaner. So a lot of companies have citrus cleaners that are not citrus based. They don't have any citrus ingredients in it. They have a citrus scent. And it just tricks you because then you think, oh, you're getting all the ingredients, all the effectiveness. Because I don't know if you guys know, I don't know if you guys did this or maybe your mom or your grandparents or whatever. I know I've had family do it where they're like, if you can't clean something, just get a lemon, cut it in half. Because the acidity in it will clean it right up. So that's what this is. This has actual citrus in it. What are you? Bugzapper. Safe on paint, chrome, and plastic. You guys already know. This is the South. And it's springtime. This is going to come in handy. Bugzapper. And last but not least, Jax Ultimate Wheel Cleaner. A balanced wheel cleaner that is safe for most wheels. It works exceptionally at dissolving brake dust, leaving a very clean surface. If it's your first time using it, use it in an inconspicuous area as you do always. So this is all the products. And I believe this is called their Ultimate Kit, where you get this bucket with all this stuff in it. I will have to double check, but I will put a screenshot here. So that's what it actually is. The link for it will be in my description if you want to check it out, if you want to get it, if you want to just get one product or several products. They have also several different bundles, so you don't have to get everything if you don't want everything. But yeah, I just wanted to do this to show you guys because, like I said, we talked to JaxWax at Matt's. They seem like a very great company. They even let us, like I said, we bought the Carnauba wax. We paid for it ourselves. And then we got to use it, and they're like, hey, if it doesn't work, just let us know. But if it does work, you know, and you enjoy it, we'd like to work something out. And we did. Like, we put it on. And this is like a little side story, but we had another liquid wax with us. But we had to go over one spot like several times because for some reason it was leaving like little streaks inside the swirls. And so we had to go over it, go over it, go over it. This, one and done. It was amazing. I was astonished. The show was already going though, so I couldn't just stand up and wax the entire truck. But I did use it on the truck and I really liked it. And I was like, I want to see how well their other products hold up. So anyways, thank you so much, JaxWax. I did just drop a video of me washing Betty, but it is pollen season, so we're gonna be washing her again. Maybe I'll do one of washing Rhonda. Maybe I'll wash the new Durango. I don't know. We have so many vehicles, the Nova, the Camaro, the Hummer. I mean, these are gonna get put to the test is what I'm saying. So anyways, check out my link in my description for JaxWax products. And if you do buy it, let me know how you like it. Thanks again.